Good morning, students. Today in English class we will be learning about articles. Article basically are the three words which we generally use when conversing or when writing. These words are a, an, and the. Okay, so these are the three words which basically we use in general conversation or general usage of the language. But simply just knowing that these three words are known as article isn't enough. So before explaining the usage of this, let me tell you what are the types of article. There are two types of article. They are the definite article and the next one is indefinite. Okay, so now use those three words will be utilized here. Definite means the one which can be used with some particular cases, like the can be used, and indefinite is a and an. So in today's video we will be learning about only the definite article, that is the. We will not be focusing on a and an, that we will do later in upcoming videos. So the is a definite article, and where do we use this is needed to be understand. Okay, so it's very simple to understand that where do we use the. The is used with proper nouns, with country's name, but not with individual's identity or where does it belong to. It's a very simple yet complex. Okay, so first of all, where do we use? If we are writing a person's name, like a proper noun in the case, with some designation like the Prime Minister of India, for example, so we use the article the with a particular designation, but we do not use the with name of any person. We will not be saying the Narendra Modi or the Amit Mishra or the XYZ or whatever it is. You understood? So this is the first part. Second, you can use articles, definite article the with the name of country, like the people of England are, what shall, good. Okay, we are not going to term them as bad or whatever it is. See, so here the people, why we have used the people of England? Because we are particularizing, or we are using a kind of proper notification for the people of England only. For example, let me use these 3-4 chalks are here. Okay, these 3 chalks are here. If I will ask you, if you can see these 3 chalks here, you see that 2 are blunt on the top and 1 is a little bit pointed. Okay, so if I will ask you, keeping these 3 chalks here, if I will ask you, give me a chalk, focus on the words I am using, give me a chalk. So it's of course a normal gesture will be picking up any of these. Randomly, if you are picking up, you will be picking up any of these 3 chalks. But if I will ask you, give me the pointed chalk, again I am saying focus on the word, give me the pointed chalk, then you are not going to pick up this one, you are not going to pick up this one either, you will be picking up this. This shows that where we can use the article the. It particulates the proper word or the objects that we are focusing on. There are some exceptions where we should not use, like when we are particularly utilizing the identity or the nationality of any individual, we will not use the. Like we will not use the Indians love spicy food. If we are using this term, it will be wrong. We should not use the definite article with nationalities of an individual. Indians, if we are referring Indians, it enough is to represent all the people of India. If you are writing Russians love spicy food, it is correct. But if you are writing the Russians love spicy food, it will be incorrect. Okay, so you have to remember where to use and where you should not use the definite article the. Let us take few more examples. I cannot either ask you to give some examples, since this is a virtual class where you have to you can only see what I am telling you. So a few more examples. If you will see, there are name of languages where you should not use the, like I speak French. Okay, so if you are saying that, this gives a sense that I am able to speak French. But if you are writing I speak the French, so this sentence in itself is wrong, because again we should not use definite article the with any name of language. Okay, so there are exceptions which you have to keep in mind when you are using the definite article the. So there are few examples that I will be sending you over the WhatsApp today. You have to complete them and write it in your notebooks. That's all for today. Thank you.